Good afternoon. My name is Micah. I am a transplant from Georgia who recently moved to Colorado and discovered that plants do not grow outside nearly as well in Colorado as they do in Georgia, obviously because it's so cold and it's really dry. I loved gardening in Georgia. I really got a love for it that I had never had before, and then moved here, and as much as I love the mountains and the weather and all the things there are about Colorado, I really miss gardening. So I got myself a small hydroponic garden and thought, I don't know if this is gonna work, but it did. It worked really well. I had seedlings within 3 days, could see green sprouts in 5-6 days. And so I decided I wanted to do something bigger. Proposed the idea to my husband and asked him to just look at some pictures and build me a larger hydroponic garden. And there's the cuckoo clock. And so wanted to build a larger hydroponic garden that I could grow lettuce and spinach and some other fun things. We'll see what happens. I kept my herbs in the smaller one and will grow other things in the larger hydroponic garden. So here it is, and just thought it'd be really fun to make a video so people can see it. So here, get my towels out of the way here. Here is the hydroponic garden. It is 4 tiers and it's over 6 foot tall. We put our lights in. We just bought PVC pipe. I spray painted them, and down here is a chest that my husband also built that we can keep the pail of water in, and also the supplies for the hydroponic garden. The water circulates through the hose here and keeps circulating all day long. And it's doing really well. After week 1, I moved some plants over from the small hydroponic garden, and as you can see here, we have some really great action going and some really great plants that are starting to grow. So we have lettuce, we have spinach, and I've planted some cherry tomatoes, some miniature cucumbers, and I think that's all I've planted so far, but we'll see how it goes. It's week 1, the lights are doing well, the water recycling and the minerals that I've put in it are doing really well, and it's a lot of fun to watch, and hopefully I will be cutting some things out for my homegrown salads very soon. Thanks for watching.